So today, we're going to crack the code on one of the most powerful credentials in the tech world, the Salesforce Administrator certification. If you're looking to really prove your Salesforce skills and, give your career a major boost, this is absolutely where you start.
Look, the ADM-201 exam is a huge step up, but let's be honest, it can feel a little intimidating. So in this explainer, we're going to break down exactly what you need to know to pass and how this one certification can open up a whole world of new opportunities for you. All right, so first things first, let's talk about the challenge. Before you can conquer the exam, you've got to understand what you're really up against. It's time to decode the ADM-201. Okay, so take a look at this breakdown. Right away, you can see where the real meat of the exam is: Salesforce Administration and Customization. Together, they make up a whopping 65% of the test. So that's your first big clue right there. You've got to focus most of your study time on mastering things like user management, security, automation, and building custom objects. The other parts are important, for sure, but these two are where you'll rack up the most points. And here's the kicker. You've only got 90 minutes to do it all. With 60 questions on the table, that's just a minute and a half for each one. So managing your time isn't just a good idea, it's everything.
But at the end of the day, this isn't just about acing a test. This certification is a huge signal to any employer that you have the hands-on, real-world skills to manage a Salesforce environment. It makes you a valuable player from day one. All right, theory's one thing, but let's actually see what these questions feel like. We're going to walk through 3 real sample questions. See if you can figure them out right along with me. Ready?
Okay, first one. So picture this. You've got a custom drop-down menu, right? A pick list. But your users are saying they see different options in that menu depending on the type of sales opportunity. As the admin, where do you go to fix that? I'll give you a second to think about it. If you landed on C, record type, you are absolutely right. Now let's dig into why. This really gets to the core of what record types are for. They are how you, as an admin, show different business processes, different pick list values, and even different page layouts to different users. It's one of the most fundamental tools for tailoring the whole Salesforce experience.
Let's move on to the next one. This one's all about flows, which are Salesforce's super powerful automation tools. So you open up a flow to make a change, but your toolbox is, well, it's almost empty. You only see 4 things. What in the world is going on?
And the answer here is C again. The flow is a before-save flow. This might seem like a small detail, but it's a really important one in Salesforce automation.
See, the main thing to remember is that before-save flows are built for one thing: speed. They run before a record even gets saved to the database, so they're intentionally limited to simple, super fast operations that won't ever slow the system down. Knowing that limitation is key.
Okay, last one for today. You need to build a guided, step-by-step process, a wizard, for your users to fill out. Which tool in your Salesforce toolkit is the right one for that job?
And for creating a guided step-by-step wizard, the answer is, you guessed it, D, Flow Builder.
Flow Builder is basically Salesforce's superstar automation tool. It's absolutely perfect for creating those interactive, screen-based experiences that guide users through a process, which, of course, is exactly what a wizard does. So you've seen the questions, you kind of get what they're looking for. The million-dollar question now is, how do you actually prepare for this thing effectively?
This is where a dedicated prep tool is an absolute game changer. The simulator from certificationexam.com isn't just about memorizing stuff. You can use its learning mode to get instant feedback and really detailed explanations, so you actually understand the concepts. Then you can switch over to the timed exam mode to nail your pacing under pressure. And the best part? It works on your computer, on your phone, online, or offline, so you can literally study whenever you have a free moment.
And hey, don't just take my word for it. Real users, like Lorenzo here, say these realistic simulations are what truly build the confidence you need to walk into that test center feeling like you've got this.
Okay, let's get to the really good stuff, the reward. Because passing this exam isn't the finish line, it's the starting line for your career. Let's talk about the professional payoff.
This is why you put in all that work, right? We're talking a serious boost in your earning potential, with starting salaries often hitting around $70,000. It opens doors to brand new roles, from admin to consultant. It puts your career on the fast track, and it gives you a skill set that's recognized all over the world.
So I'll just leave you with this question to think about. This certification, it's a key. The only question left is, what doors are you going to unlock with it? Thanks for tuning in.